So hi guys, this is Unboxing Tech Pro and today we are going to give a review on JBL 510 BT. So the review, I have just using it before 1 week. So the sound, the quality, first of all, the design, it is wow. It is just premium and it is too much comfy. Yeah, I got the sponge here and as well here. Design, no doubt, it is very awesome. And second of all, the battery, like I'm using it from the past 1 week and the battery is awesome. Like you just plug it in for 5 minutes and it will give you 2 hours of playtime. The battery is awesome. I've just been using it before 1 week and still the battery is only 70%. Awesome. And the look you can just see in this video, it's on my head and it's perfect. It's fabulous, it's shiny. It just gave a premium look. So in this type of quality, it's very perfect. Just look at the matte finish, the glossy look of JBL. It is made by Herman. And the sound, first of all, the sound is awesome. The bass, I had just heard many movies. The bass is awesome. It's just blown my mind. Bass is way more, I'm just thinking it's way more awesome than I thought. So if you're a song lover, you're a movie lover, I just recommend you to buy this product. It's awesome.